During the renovation, the wall was pre-installed with Panduit cables, and when it came time to attach the RJ, it's just network cables, 4 pairs of wires. What's so hard about it? Some fans say they don't dare to do it because one RJ45 connector. Scared, the expert quickly bought a few connectors for himself. For those who can't attach the RJ45 connectors, quickly follow the expert. There's a video that will guide you. However, Panduit cables are a bit special. They have 2 layers. Next, assemble the 2 RJ45 connector pieces. Insert the cable, and inside the cable, there are also 4 pairs of wires with a separator in the middle. Just pull that out, then take out the small triangular piece and insert it according to the 4 pairs of wires. After one end is done, it should look something like this. Next, we need to after straightening it out, it should look something like this. The small piece inside separates the 4 pairs of wires. The next step is to take our cable and cut it at an angle. Then take out the small connector with the bamboo wire. Be careful, it has a specific orientation. The side with the dinosaur eyes should face up. Insert all 8 wires into it. After pushing them all the way in, it should look. Now there's just one connector left. Push the RJ45 connector onto the cable. It's important to push it all the way in. You can check through the top of the connector. If everything looks good, take our cable and push it inside, then press down. Look, isn't that easy? It's not that hard after all. Finally, snap the boot onto the end. See, isn't that easy? Did everyone learn? Subscribe?